Alright folks, today we are making this amazing looking sausage burger boat. So stay tuned. It's time to grill. Let's get this video started with two big sausages. Take a sharp knife and cut them lengthwise, but don't cut completely. Don't cut the top and the end. Here's the result. You can now open that, and this is the perfect room for adding ground meat. Repeat with the second sausage. Of course you can use breads. It would even work with smaller versions. Feel free to be creative and do how you like it. Then take ground meat. This is a mixture of ground meat and ground beef, and place it inside the sausage. This idea is really a game changer for me because it offers so many possibilities. Salt from both sides. And repeat these steps with the other sausages. In the meantime, I have already prepared a starting chimney full of charcoal. We're going to place them into our charcoal baskets in our kettle grill. At the grates, close the lid. Let that heat up. Then grill your sausage boats for 3 to 4 minutes per side on direct heat. That's pretty easy. Here's the result after 3.5 minutes. Looks fun. The coolest thing is that you don't have to serve this as a burger like I did here. Of course, you can just add some toppings, and there's really a lot of space and room for your toppings and ideas. Of course, I'll show you my toppings today. I started with adding tomatoes. Feel free to season them too. And cheddar cheese. As soon as the cheese is ready, take it off. I also love roasting my buns over the high heat. Just make sure to have a constant movement, otherwise they might burn. And then build your burger. I started with mustard. I put barbecue sauce on the other part of the bun. And one of my favorite topping all the time is French onions, because they're sweet and crunchy. Then add your sausage boat. I also like pickles. And everything tastes better with bacon. Finally, a decent amount of burger sauce. And voila, this is the sausage boat burger boat, whatever. If you have a better name for this one, leave me a comment. Now we cut in two and see how it looks like. My ground beef and pork mixture is completely fresh, so no worries about being a little bit pink inside. Delicious. I love it. The meat stays so juicy coated in that sausage. I promise. And of course, as always, I'm gonna give this a shot right now. Please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I would really appreciate you could help me bringing the international channel to 1000 subscribers. Next milestone. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm out. See you.